Hi, Kendall Jenner. How are you? Good set last night.
Yeah, I know. This is strictly for the ladies.
Now girl, step up to this. Now girl, step up to this. Now girl, step up to this.
Yo, how fucking fun was last night?
Fun as fuck.
Yo, shout out to Jordan Clarkson and Kendall Jenner. And Danny Lichty. Yo, you had fun last night?
Oh yeah.
Yeah? You look good.
Fun with you.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
If I fuck this model and then she bleached her asshole and I could bleach my t-shirt, I'ma look, feel or look?
Both.
I'ma feel like an asshole.
I'ma look and feel like.
Lady don't take no shit, insist on respect the sister, walk around acting womanish. She won't speak unless it's something worth saying, don't play. The girl take herself so serious, man. People still curious, man. She got a natural way, her hips sway furious.
Hi guys.
Hi.
I miss you.
See you guys.
Have a good play.
I'll edit the video.
Okay.
And you guys are gonna shine.
Alright, you guys be safe, okay?
Alright.
Also help like this tonight.
Okay.
Okay. And then Vegas, just make sure to get there. You got work on Tuesday.
Okay, Steve.
Alright, man.
Bye, Danny. Alright, later.
Yeah, the luxurious thing carries herself like the cutest, most prettiest.
What's good?
I miss you. The only time I can see you is through FaceTime.
Were you at the airport?
Yeah, I just got in.
Oh.
I was walking around, gaslit. I was gonna get beat up last night.
Oh man. It's all good though.
It's all good in the hood.
Alright, I'll see you when I get back.
Oh, I want just talk to me right now.
We're waiting for food right now.
This thing you see, this side of the bay, go about her business so purposeful that she got razor sharp wit and she just won't quit. Flaunting it, body built like a house made out of brick. She got the smile, the style and finesse, compounded with the blessed profound intellect. Select few have ever seen her butt naked, and they too wanna see the rep protected. Cause she don't like violence, but she can throw them things, so don't let your guard down. Her thighs are sore, but her eyes are hard. You can't just try, tell her come on now. She digs Angela Davis, Alice Walker, Nikki Giovanni, oh honey. Says she wanna be a doctor and not the.
Just landed in Houston. A 2-hour flight. Got the edit done from last night's footage. Where are we going?
The hotel.
Well, at least the edit's done. We'll post it as soon as we get to the hotel.
Oh, you did? Yeah, it's fast.
Someday I'm sure she'll be teaching somebody. School in the streets, smart girl ain't no dummy. One economic empowerment, it ain't about the money. The boys and gals both all start act funny whenever the queen's coming around the town. Yeah. Sweet and tight, lightning round, out of sight, not night. With a freaky shot that you can't quite see, but you can't quite hide. And it lies in a gentle command of the night. Wherever you took my head, baby, send it home.
See all these birds? Houston, you have a bird problem. You're like that, I just thought of that just now. I got lost in the hype of these birds and I'm on the wrong side of the street because 5 is all the way over there. See him? So what you take on all these birds?
Some scary shit, man. It's like Halloween up in here.
No. I really think I lost my edge, cause it's females on the whole new throne. All the clerks wanna offer you help, all the folks compliment your style. A little.
We just got done eating dinner. And goes, what grinds your gears?
Yo, I hate those fucking smarty pants fucking kids that like think they're fucking smart. I want to kick the shit out.
Little children wanna jump in your lap. Girl, I wanna do that myself. She ain't no.
Alright, it is Sunday night. We are in Houston. And we just found out on the internet that Glenn died in The Walking Dead. Oops! Heading to the club. Yeah, that's too high.
This is the shot that 5 does every time he goes to the gym.
Innocent Hello Kitty chick, she's committed sins and ain't finished shit. But because of her disposition, she ain't subject to criticism. That's why the other women started mimicking. She ain't tripping off no images. Her interests are all limitless. She ain't limited.
Yo, what up, it's Travis Scott. Yo, what up, it's Travis Scott. You listen to the #1 Asian Black American DJ 5 right now. Turn it all the way up, let's go.
Johnny, she bounced this side off me, Jack. That had me out in space, somewhere just floating, not knowing the way back. You know I can't always fathom everything that you say about half the time. But when I hear your voice, you support your boys with all of that body language, girl, it's alright. It's alright. It's alright now. I look right in your eyes, ask how'd you get so neat? How'd you get so neat? I just when I think I know your style, I know there's something I ain't been.
It's 2:30 in Houston. 2:30. It's about to slow down. Still going out. Hey everyone, this is Layla.
Hi guys.
Here's our cocktail waitress. Thank you for everything. Hi. This is pretty fun. Or maybe because I'm drunk. Too bad I'm only here for less than 24 hours.
Yeah, let's get the fuck out of here.
Oh, you're drunk, man. Stop being so drunk.
Now we got one. Hey, hey.